Hey spiritual guru gang, it is Ellie here. I am here to unbox a wonderful, freaking awesome July subscription box for you today. I'm super excited because it is very cleansing and it's definitely something that I need personally in my life. Maybe you do too. The past couple of months, especially with Mercury retrograde, was super weird for me, and all of our crystals and goodies that came in our box for the month of July are all helping you to cleanse out and detoxify your life. So I'm ready for it. Hopefully you're ready for it too. Again, each subscription box that comes from Spiritual Guru is $49.95. That includes shipping. You can also use my code ELLIE19 for a little discount on your box. But each box is filled with different items to help you get in touch with your spirituality and witchy side. It also comes with like a little card that's going to tell you everything that is inside of your box, and then on the bottom it tells you your total value, so it really shows you the deal that you're getting. First thing that came in our box that I freaking actually screamed when I opened it is a Selenite Tower. This thing is as big as my face. Like, oh, I just licked it. This guy is what you would call the king or queen of cleansing your life out. So this guy is gonna help you, like I said, cleanse your life, cleanse your aura, really just freaking restart everything for you. I like to use these bad boys to set like all my stones and crystals next to like purify them before I'm gonna meditate with them or use them for certain things. They like to cleanse them with this and a little bit of sage before I do that. I'm really excited to have a tower because this is going to really step up my cleansing game. I only have a few like tiny selenite stones, so this is gonna be a game changer. This is also really good to hold while you're meditating or just have next to you on like your yoga mat, and then also to like go like this with it and like just kind of, I'm going down my legs, you can't see. But like putting this up next to you, it's going to detoxify, get away any negative vibes, anything that is just not helping you in your life at this time. This is gonna just go away. Next thing in the box, we have our selenite. That is our theme for the box for the month of July. We have a selenite necklace. So this guy looks like this. It comes on kind of a short chain. I might change the chain because I like my necklaces to be like down here. That would actually look really cute with this dress. Definitely would. Selenite is also really great for purifying and interacting with your upper chakra, so your heart chakra, your throat chakra, and your crown chakra. Also, your third eye is really in touch with this bad boy. Having selenite on a necklace is a really good tool to kind of bring the cleansing with you while you're out and about. It's going to clear your body and protect you from negative energy and keep your aura protected. The next thing in our box is not selenite, but it's clear quartz, which is still a very good cleansing stone, but it's not a stone. Well, it is a stone. Clear quartz is a stone, but this stone specifically has been carved into a skull. My inner wannabe goth is like, oh my god, a skull? I'm so cool now. I need to stop. But no, I'm really excited to have this little skull. It's really cool looking. It's really hard to see in the camera, but it's clear quartz, so it's not completely see-through, but it's also still a little transparent, and you can see all the little designs in it. Crystal quartz is known to be the stone of light, and it helps to bring clarity and spiritual awareness to you. If you're using it to meditate or have it on your desk, it's just supposed to bring those things to you. It's also known for being very powerful, so it's good to combine it with your Selenite Tower to amplify the aura clearing properties. So clear crystal quartz and selenite are like BFFs. So use those together and you will not have a negative day in your life. We also got a clearing scrub for cleansing and moisturizing your body. So just like a bath time cute little scrub to exfoliate and get rid of toxins and, you know, just relax in the bath. Infused with essential oils, and they're specifically chosen to clear and really bring out the negativity in your life. It's good to use at the end of the day or just whenever you're feeling kind of down. Just use this stuff, it'll brighten you up. Literally and mentally, physically and emotionally. All of the things. Ooh, that smells like, it smells like orange. The next thing we got is a cute little bath bomb. Mine's a little distorted because I don't think the UPS man was very nice to my subscription box. It's a little beat up. But each bath bomb that comes inside of the Spiritual Guru boxes has a gemstone inside of it when you use it. This month is a blue calcite stone, which is really good for people who are extremely like energy sensitive of other people. This is gonna help you to kind of relax and just get in your own mindset, your own, you know, this. Because the blue calcite is going to protect you from any outside emotional and negative energies, and it also provides a barrier of spiritual light which wraps around the auroric field. So it's also a good stone to carry around with you. So I'm excited to have another stone after this. My stone collection from this subscription box is getting huge and I love it. The last thing that always comes inside of our Spiritual Guru boxes is a oracle card that is supposed to resonate with you. Mine's a little bent. The outside looks like this. It's like navy blue and has an owl on it and a compass. It's not a compass. It's got just little drawings on it. I'm sure I could figure out what that means if I use the internet. The other side says mountains and it says stand your ground in gold. And there is a top and a bottom side of the mountains. I'm not really sure exactly what it means yet, but they're supposed to resonate with you, and each card is picked for a specific person who gets the box. Well, that was our Spiritual Guru box for the month of July. It comes at the end of every month, so that's why this video comes out a little bit after July. Sorry about that. But yeah, you get all of those items for $49.95. You can use my code LE19. Definitely go check out Spiritual Guru box website. That will be linked down in the description because they are super great people, have super cool stuff based in Hawaii. You get in touch with your witchiness. Why wouldn't you want to do that? Thanks so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!